ChatGPT is one of the world's best summarizing tool, but it can get a little bit tricky if you try and use it to summarize videos. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how to do exactly that. So as you can see, I am on the Candid.Technology YouTube channel, and I have the 8-bit Duke Ultimate Controller review open. So what I'm going to do is you're actually going to need a transcript. Exactly why you need a transcript is simply because if you just copy paste the URL for the video, come back here and ask ChatGPT to summarize the video and give it the URL, it's going to summarize not exactly entirely accurate. So as you can see, it is picking up a video that's titled Cammy's full story leading into Street Fighter 6, which is, well, not this video, because if I open a new tab, paste the exact same URL and hit enter, you will see that I come back to the original video. So what we're going to do is that we're going to need a transcript instead. Well, to find a transcript, you're going to have to come down to the video's description, click on it, scroll all the way down, and you will see the show transcript button. If you click on this, a video transcript will appear right next to the video. So just click on these three dots and click on toggle timestamps, which gets rid of the timestamps as well. And now all you have to do is simply copy this entire thing. So just drag your mouse and scroll until you reach the end. Copy this. I'm using Ctrl+C, head back over to ChatGPT, and now in here I'm going to paste this entire transcript, give it spaces, and write summarize this video transcript for me. Press enter, and now as you can see, it's summarizing the right video. So it summarizes the key points that we cover in the video and everything else that you need to know. So remember, summarizing videos with ChatGPT isn't going to work with URLs. You're going to have to get the video transcript, and as long as you have that, you should be able to get a pretty good summary of the video. As you can see, it also got the verdict and the score, right? And that's it. That's how you summarize videos with ChatGPT. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, and in case these videos aren't as helpful, do consider becoming a member to the channel so we can help you out in a greater ability. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.